Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Kaaklo. Kaaklo is made with overripe plantains, so if you have any overripe plantains sitting somewhere, you can easily make this recipe. The first thing you need to do is to mash your plantain, and you can do that one of three ways. If the plantains are very soft, you can use your hands, or you can use a blender, or you can use a mashing bowl, so an earthenware bowl known as an asanka or bagba. You can use that to mash the plantains. We're going to be adding some pepper, some ginger, as well as some onion and some salt. Mix that together, and then at this point you're also going to be adding some flour. Now if your plantains are not very ripe, you're going to need less flour than you're going to need if your plantains are very soft. If you add too much flour, it's going to become very pasty and you don't get that authentic plantain taste coming through. So I try to limit the amount of flour that I put in there. And apart from using flour, you can also use corn flour, and you can also use roasted corn flour. So whatever is available to you, you can use that to sort of bind the batter together. So once you've done all that, you're basically going to deep fry them, and you're going to get a deep set spoon. You can use your hands. My mom uses her hands because she's a pro like that. Oh, and you just drop into the hot oil and then fry them till they've turned a dark brown. Now you want to make sure that your oil is not too hot, because if it is too hot, the outside is going to be cooked and the inside will not be cooked. So you want a sort of a medium heat for which you fry the kaklo. And so once you've got the color all nice and brown, you want a bit more of you want it a bit darker than a golden brown. Typically eaten with bambara beans, but you can also eat it just with groundnuts or peanuts, and you can also eat it with ground red hot pepper. I like eating kaklo with red hot pepper. As usual, anything spicy, just double the spice for me, and I'm good to go. And so that is your recipe for making kaklo. If you have plantains, if you've never cooked with plantains and your plantains have turned dark and you think you need to throw them away, you do not need to make kaklo. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you on the next one. Happy eating!